Hey there. So, imagine you have a bit of a tricky situation on your hands. You need to remotely open a port on a router, but unfortunately, remote web access is turned off. However, you do have SSH access to a Raspberry Pi on the same LAN as the router. Sounds like a classic tech problem that needs a creative solution, right? Let's dive into it. Now, the solution to this dilemma involves setting up a proxy. You start by running a command on your Raspberry Pi through SSH. The command goes like this: SSH user at host D8080. This creates a dynamic application level port forwarding, allowing you to navigate around the roadblock caused by the disabled remote web access. This port forwarding technique works by allocating a socket to listen on a specific port on the local side, which can then be used for forwarding connections over the secure SSH channel. By utilizing this method, the connection can be redirected through the secure channel, bypassing any restrictions that might be in place due to the disabled remote access on the router. It's like finding a secret passage to sneak past the locked door. In summary, by setting up a proxy using SSH on your Raspberry Pi, you can overcome the obstacle of a closed remote web access on your router and remotely open a port. How cool is that? I hope this solution helps you out with your networking adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Your support means a lot. Take care and happy troubleshooting.